Hello and welcome everyone on my YouTube channel. Here in this my very first video, I'll show you how to create a circle number like this in Excel. To create a circle number like this, use UNICHAR formula is equal to sign then UNICHAR. Insert row formula also and type this code A10102. Close the bracket twice. You will be getting this formula from my description box below to this video also. After maintaining this formula and code, press enter. You can see here a circle number. Select this cell and drag it down. By this way, you can create circle number in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial and please subscribe our channel on YouTube.